Hi, this video demonstrates how to repopulate a timesheet that should have been auto-populated with holidays and schedules. Sometimes you change someone's timesheet profile to an auto-populate, and then you need to repopulate that so that it happens so that you see that information flow into the timesheet. So the best way to do that, Kathy Watts is going to demonstrate this for you. She goes to the hamburger and will go in and type in auto-populate or auto, and there is the timesheet auto-population profile, and then auto-populate timesheet, which comes under the time and labor maintenance. When you go here, you want to filter for the employee that you need to fix. In this case, it is Kathy's timesheet as well. And then to auto-populate, you have to roll back the timesheet auto-populated to date as the first step. So we're going to select the row and then put in the new populated to date, which has to be before the date that you're wanting to populate. So in this case, she was missing January 31st, so we're going to roll it back before January 31st. I'm just choosing January 24th as my date. You would probably want to look and see what the first day of your pay period was for that timesheet. And when you put that there, you select the row, and then you're going to set the time populated to date, which means it's going to roll it back, and it confirms that. We say OK. Next, you're going to select the same row, and you're going to say populate from 12/25, which, as you can see right here, is the day after our new populated to date. Oh, let's go back once. We see that this has not updated, so I just want to make sure. Okay, there it is, 12/24, and let's put in the 12/25/2021. And we'll say through today, and we'll populate time. It confirms that you're wanting to populate the time, and it lets us know that it's doing the update. I can track the progress. It's populated through today, and now I can click the quick links, go to the timesheet, scroll back to the appropriate timesheet, and see that December 31st was added in. So let me know if you have questions.